Often when people think about bees, they just think about honey, but bees have a lot more to offer than just honey. They play a significant role in terms of pollination services for our horticultural industries, and it's an amazing way to generate income without damaging the environment. My name's Cooper Shooten. I'm a beekeeper and a researcher at Southern Cross University in Northern New South Wales, Australia. I'm also the project manager for Bees for Sustainable Livelihoods research group, and I work with an amazing team at Southern Cross University and other universities in Australia and overseas to deliver outcomes for the beekeeping community in the Indo-Pacific region. After studying my Bachelor of Environmental Science at Southern Cross University, I went on to do an honours degree because I was successful at getting a scholarship to go and work in Timor-Leste. And when I was up in the rural mountains, there were some young boys that were saying that they were harvesting honey from the tops of these very tall trees. And sometimes people fall to their deaths actually trying to harvest this honey. And I thought there's got to be a better way of doing this. And so I realised I needed to learn more in order to help people. And so I went on and just continued on from there, and was lucky enough to get some projects funded through the Australian Centre for International Agricultural Research. My studies at Southern Cross University have really opened my eyes to the potentials of a career where I can not only try to help people out of poverty in developing countries, create research that can have outcomes for our industry here in Australia, but it's also enabling me to achieve my aspirations and help other people to be able to achieve theirs as well. We're doing some research throughout the Indo-Pacific region, and it's not just about doing more beekeeping, it's about improving the way in which we approach international development and these partnership programs with some of our nearest neighbours. So it's not just about more bees and more honey, it's about improving capacity building for skills for people here as well as overseas. One of the main reasons why I love beekeeping, it's something that I can do that makes me feel really present and there in the moment. I can forget about my emails for a minute and just think about the biology and the ecology of the bees. I think it's about an emotional connection to the bees, but I think it's also just a curiosity. I think all researchers and successful farmers have a curiosity with the environment and the things that they're working with, whether it's crops or livestock, bees or plants. Something that really drives me in my work, something I'm really passionate about, is when I turn up to some of these communities and you can see the tangible changes in front of your eyes. So it's amazing. You come back after a year later and a beekeeper might have forgotten how to make colony splits or something like that. And then you come back and they've multiplied all their colonies, they're selling honey, their kids are going to school, and it puts a smile on everyone's faces.